Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install this triple monitor mount that I just got. I just unboxed the whole thing and here are all the parts that it comes with. I'm really excited about this triple monitor mount because not only is it going to help me increase my work productivity with multiple screens, but it's also going to help me get rid of a lot of clutter on my desk. So as you can see, you get an instruction manual, the triple arms, the pole, as well as all the plates, brackets, and screws you need to install this. So what we're going to do first is start with the pole since it's the backbone of this whole thing. It's made of solid steel, so it's going to be extremely sturdy once I have it up with all the monitors. And here I'm just screwing in all the pieces together. And the great thing about the instruction manual is that all the steps are numbered and even the bags that the screws come in are all labeled so you know exactly which screw goes with which part. And if you really get stuck, I saw in the instruction manual that they do have a customer support hotline that you can contact 7 days a week. So here I'm just working on assembling the clamp and attaching it to the pole. They actually provide you with a few different Allen keys depending on which type of screw you need to use. This thing is fully adjustable depending on the thickness of your table or desk. So here I've got the pole attached to my desk. You'll notice I added a small wood block here, but that's optional. The clamp height can be adjusted depending on which screw holes you are using. And then you can use the knob at the bottom to tighten everything up. And then here's the center pole. It's extremely sturdy. And here I've just inserted the clip before attaching the arm. So the arm just slides down the pole, and here you can see we can adjust the arm by swiveling it forward or backwards. And once you're happy with the height of the arms, you'll want to screw that into place. You'll still be able to swing the arms and reposition them to the angle you want later, so don't worry about that. Okay, so here are the screws and they're all labeled, and what we're going to do is install the brackets to the back of the monitors. There's going to be one bracket to the back of each monitor, and make sure you place the bracket in the correct direction with the arrow pointing upwards towards the top of the monitor. We'll use the screws provided in the bag labeled with the letter F, and we'll repeat this with the remaining two monitors as well. And now monitor number one is going in. This one is getting installed right in the center, and all you need to do is slide it in like this. And once it's in, you'll want to screw in the bolt. And by the way, this triple monitor mount fits 13 to 27-inch monitors. And here's the second monitor. Just slide it in and then screw in the bolt. You can also tighten things up with the Allen key they provide. And finally, we can install our third monitor. But check this out first. See how this arm can be adjusted so you can point your monitor in the exact direction you want? And here we go. The third monitor goes in. And now we have all three monitors installed. Let me show you from the back what they look like. Pretty cool. And here's what it looks like when I'm sitting at my desk. The triple monitor mount really makes a huge difference to my workspace, and it's really going to help me up my game at work, allowing me to multitask and see everything I need on my screen all at once.